Any mention?
Thank you, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8. I'm praying for 1 week's time, Your Lordship.
No objection, Lordship. Why?
Your Lordship, my senior, he went for treatment, Your Lordship.
After
1 week, Your Lordship.
wait on the request. Wait. The petitioner. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, Your Lordship. Item number 2.
Item number 2.
Yes, Lordship. I pray that the matter become up after 1 week, Your Lordship. I ask my...
You are appearing for?
For respondent number 4, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 4.
Yes, Lordship. I pray that the matters be...
Who the petitioner?
Mr. K. Paul.
Wait for the matter to come. This number, just wait.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 7, your Lordship. I pray for some accommodation in this matter, your Lordship, as the learned TSGI, Dr. N. Mosika, needs some more time to prepare this matter, your Lordship.
No objection.
Item 7. The request made on behalf of Dr. N. Mosika, London DSG. This is matter after 2 weeks.
1 week's time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, your Lordship.
Your Lordship, if you may have it, after 1 week, the conducting council want to do the hearing as... The conducting council wanted to do the hearing as fast as possible, Your Lordship.
Congress wanted to do hearing. He's ready today also.
Yes, Your Lordship, but they're asking
Then
time.
we'll hear you. We'll reject
2
their
weeks
prayer
may
for
be given,
adjournment.
your Lordship.
Hmm?
2 weeks may be given, your Lordship.
If they are ready, we'll hear them.
Your Lordship,
May
we
not
have
hear
no
you.
objection
Until
to
unless
that,
they can
but Your
make out a
Lordship...
case. This is a criminal writ petition, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it will be akin to a criminal appeal. So until unless you are required, we will not hear you. We will just see what they make. So
Your
we'll take it
Lordship,
up
maybe
today.
just 1 week. It's okay.
Why in 1 week? You said you were ready today. We'll take it up today.
1 week, your Lordship.
You may not require. See, like if you are required, then we will call upon you. So you are ready today.
Your Lordship, the conducting council said it's ready, but since they asked,
Now
if
she is
we have
praying
no
now. You
objection...
want it for 1 week now. Well, list it after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, your Lordship.
Other request made on behalf of notice.
Highly obliged, your Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 4.
Yes.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, your Lordship.
No objection.
You are petitioner.
Yes, sir.
This is our 2016 matter.
16 meter, yes.
Who is appearing for the petitioner?
HR.
This is a land acquisition matter. Is it land acquisition matter?
Yes, Lordship.
Why to adjourn it for no reason?
The conducting council is on briefment, your Lordship.
Who?
Mr. S.D.
Conductor council is appearing for the district council.
Yes, your Lordship.
Okay. Yes, sir. The request is made on behalf of the London.
5 and 6. Also, I'm praying
Council
for mention 5 and 6.
For respondent number 5 on the ground. That
6 I'm there, your Lordship, but 5 I'm not here. 6 I'm there.
then you are for
I'm a vote for 5 and 6. 5 and 6.
She's for private respondent.
5 and 6.
Private.
You are saying you are for 6.
We are only in
item
6,
number
in
6.
item number 6, your Lordship.
How many matters? It's now we are on to item 4, isn't it?
I'm praying for item number 5.
4 and
Item number 4, 5 and 6. I'm praying for an adjournment, your Lordship.
these are all connected matter.
No, not connected.
No, we'll come to 5 and 6 later.
Okay.
Just say in 4. A mention has been made on behalf of the respondent number. Prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5 on the ground that the counsel appearing for the said respondents are on bereavement. The prayer has not been opposed by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Accordingly, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. And then 5 and 6?
Item number 5 and 6.
Yes, you are appearing there also.
Yes, JHDC, on behalf of JHDC.
What is the respondent number? JGDC?
In item number 5, I'm appearing for 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3, and 6?
And 6, I'm appearing on behalf of item respondent number 3 to 5.
3 to 5. You are there?
Actually, I put item number 5. I put a respondent, private respondent.
Who is petitioner?
Item number 6.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship, in item number 5.
And item 6, who is petitioner? You are.
I'm the petitioner, Lordship.
Just record their name, and that will be same. Request has been made on both those. Just see those private respondents. Request is made for a grant of adjournment on the ground that the counsel appearing for the said respondents are on bereavement. Okay. Prayer has not been opposed by the counsel appearing for the petitioner. Prayer allowed least after 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship. Must oblige you.
And obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, on joint request, item number 10 to be
Oh, the joint request. You are making joint request. Can you make a joint request?
Lordship,
Huh? You are making joint request with whom?
with Mr. Abraham.
I'm there, my lord. Item number 10.
He is alone making joint request.
No, I'm supporting him.
Item number 10.
Item number 10.
Criminal petition.
I'm not a petitioner.
When do you want it? After 2 months?
No, after 1 week.
Oh, why after 1?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Tell the request made by the petitioner list is made after 2 weeks.
First place, Lordship.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship.
Yes.
I have sought consent for the counsel for the applicant, Lordship. Lordship, I pray for some time, my Lord.
No objection. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Other request made by the learned appearing for the state respondent. This is made after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 1.
This one.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for an accommodation.
Why? What happened?
This matter is taken up by Mr. Day, Your Lordship.
It's okay, but what is the miscase about, Mr.?
Lordship, this is regarding only for restoration because the case was dismissed for
Only for
non-appearance.
restoration. When the matter was dismissed?
Actually, the matter was dismissed quite long by Lordship.
Have you objection has been filed on your behalf?
They said they will not file the objection. Only the private respondent have to
They
file.
are district council.
They are the district council.
Private respondents, you are there, Mr. Navid.
Yes, they have
filed the
filed
objection.
They have filed the objection.
So we can hear it. What is the problem? If you have not filed any objection, then it will be taken as you have no objection. So then why should we adjourn the matter? Or?
Yes, Lordship. This particular writ petition 108 of 2017 was dismissed on the 01/2/2021, Your Lordship. The annexure 1 is there. The page 12 is the dismissal of the miscase petition.
You wait, just if you are required, then we will adjourn it. We'll just sit. Let us first get the link.
Page 12 of the petition.
No, dismiss for default.
Lordship,
He did not appear.
did not appear.
Yes.
So that now,
It is 2021 and you have filed application right now.
His Lordship, I have specifically mentioned the specific ground, Your Lordship.
Oh, it was COVID period, isn't
It
it?
was COVID period and 330 days was excluded. Now actually it's 594 days. There was a delay.
Excluding that COVID period.
Lordship,
594.
yes.
Quite a lot.
Yes, Lordship. But what happened? Only thing is that, your Lordship, just because this particular petition, she stay in the remote area. Then they actually, she's very old lady, and then the Lordship, they don't use this kind of mobile phone sometimes. But how, somewhere or other, somehow they try to get the knowledge only after some months from dismissal, and then they take some sort of time even to know what happened, the status of the case. Even the counsel who was appearing the previous, because they have lost contact with this present petitioner, because they don't use this phone number, and somebody people used to come, and that's a reason. And at that time actually there was a COVID time, there was a
where is your
transport.
explanation?
Yes, I have mentioned the ground, your Lordship.
Oh, you have filed an application for condemnation of 890 days, 97 days. Condemnation of delay of 897
Yes,
days.
but that is entire, including the
COVID period.
COVID period. If you excluding the period, excluding the COVID period, is only 594 days.
Is it correct?
Yes, that is the correct. They have mentioned in their objection petition.
Yes.
Now, the ground here which I have stated is in the para 5,
Yes.
which I have mentioned. I have given the 5, 6, 7, 9 ground, your Lordship. Lordship, para 9, page 5, para 5.
Para 5, yes.
So first ground I have stated that due to the communication gap, your Lordship.
No, let us see what is written there.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, permitted, I will read it one by one.
Yes, yes, please.
Your Lordship, that number 1 is that the repetition on WPC, which was listed for hearing, was dismissed for non-appearance of the advocate for the petitioner. It is learned that in the year of 2021, there were restriction of movement for COVID-19, and the High Court of Meghalaya was also taking up the case via video conference. Therefore, the counsel for the petitioner was not able to appear in the court due to technical issues, and moreover, the counsel for the petitioner also have not informed the petitioners with regards to the dismissal of the said petition. It is stated that the petitioner had been patiently waiting for the information with regards to the update on the case from their counsel, but there was no information from their advocate. Therefore, out of curiosity, the petitioners have taken an initiative to inquire from the counsel for the petitioners have lost the contact with their counsel. Therefore, dismissal of the said petition was kept without being informed to the petitioner for the about 1 year, Lordship.
That is from date of dismissal till date of dismissal. It
Yes.
means till 2001 to 2022.
Lordship.
Then thereafter,
Thereafter, I have stated that ground that petitioner, out of curiosity, in the month of January 2022, have asked the help of the other advocate to find out status of the case, and the said advocate have informed to the petitioner that the writ petition W so and so was dismissed for default on 1st February 2021.
yes.
Second ground, I have mentioned the petitioner, after receiving the information about the dismissal of the said writ petition on the month of January 2020, have immediately taken an initiative to pursue the case by way of filing the restoration petition. But since the issue in board of the said petition is with regards to the appointment of Nokma, and also with regards to the dispute of Nokma Akeng, therefore petitioners have taken about 3 to 4 months, that is from the month of February to May 2022, to convene the meeting, and finally on 3rd May 2022.
What for you needed to convene a meeting?
Actually, that is their statement. They said because this is the Akeng is.
But that is okay. So that means like even for restoration, you have a meeting for filing a case, that we understand.
Yes.
But then for restoration also you need a meeting.
Lordship, restoration exactly because
So then there was a meeting.
they actually it is involvement. The Akeng is a group of.
Okay. There was a meeting.
Maybe it is there. That is there.
So then in the meeting you decided to file it.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that? Where is the minute of that meeting?
It is there. I have enclosed, Lordship.
You have enclosed.
Lordship, it is.
Okay. It's all right.
Minute of the meeting is there. The page 2. No, annexure 2, page 13. They have mentioned the Lordship, and the signatory also is there, Lordship. It is there. There are another 66, 136 people are there. 139 people were, as per their the list of the meeting they have given, Lordship. may not be required, but the Akung involved maybe because they thought it what to do and what not to do because they are just a lay person. That's why it is that meeting is I have in close lordship.
And then you filed it in the month of?
Then in lordship in the yes lordship I will come one by one. After that lordship, I have filed it this one in the the week of August 2023.
What was the exemption for COVID period, Mr. Shangresha? The exemption of COVID period, it was up to?
Up to the lot, that is, I have annexed in my affidavit.
What is the date?
Last
What is
order of the Supreme Court was, my lord, on 23rd September 2021.
23rd September.
My lord, 2021.
So it was exemption was up to that much, that period. So it means he is basically required to explain the delay thereafter.
He has to be explained it thereafter.
Yes.
Then I have given the
I
port.
stand corrected, my lord, from second, my lord, that is the order, but the limitation is excluded till 2nd October 2021. 2nd October 2021. Thereafter, my lord, party has to explain.
2nd October.
2021. Okay.
I have also explained the reason, another ground which I have said after deciding lordship, they have engaged and approached the new council to take up the matter that in the ground 4 I have stated lordship, but due to financial difficulties, the petitioner were not in the position to approach and engage the lawyer as the petitioners are
So
extremely
many signatories are there, hundreds of signatories, and you have financial crisis.
No,
In
actually,
your resolution, you have so many signatories.
yes, but that is
You
that
said this is not an individual case.
lordship.
So money also basically is collective. The expenditure
Lordship,
basically.
it is that meeting is not for the purpose of maybe it is not about maybe about the money, but it is about regarding the with regards to the pursuance of the case, because they have better to pursue, and even there may be villages, maybe the member are around 113 and however that actually they are just villages. Villages means they are just living hand to mouth and they don't have any. They are not the government employee.
All 139 they are hand to mouth.
No, it is not basically that they will sponsor, because we don't know exactly how they are living in the, because they will collectively maybe the amount of collection is may not be even 100 rupees also, maybe 10, 15. So it's difficult for the villages. They're really actually.
But then you must know. You should have the instruction. Without instruction, you are standing up before the court. You have to tell the court.
Yes, Lordship. What I was told was that instruction actually, and officially they said that they are even so difficult to collect even 50 rupees also from the household. That is the situation, because it's a community, so obviously, and that the old lady is very illing.
Finally, they paid, and then thereafter they engaged you, isn't it?
And finally they got something, and even to come to the Shillong also, it's very
Why
much.
you are charging so much? Yeah.
Lordship, actually, it's not right charge actually.
And then
Then after that, in the Farapur, I have said that thereafter what happened in the month of October, they have decided and collect some.
See, they have made collection for 6 months, from May to October.
Yes.
May, June, July, August, September, 6 months, just to pay the lawyer. 6 months collection. See, those poor people, they had to pay. Anyway, just proceed. Proceed.
Then, Lordship, I have stated that engaging in the month of November, in the beginning of the month but unfortunately, petitioner number 1, actually petitioner number 1 is a lady. He got sick due to her old age. She has taken some considerable time to recover from her sickness and to gain the good health. It is stated that she was under medication, and after the period of about 4 months, she recovered from her sickness, which means she was under medication since from the month of November 2022 till March 2023.
She has fallen sick after making the payment.
No, actually, they have the meeting, and then
So it was definitely, maybe it was a very shocking part on her. Anyway, yeah, so she has, so after engaging a lawyer, she has fallen sick. And the lawyer had to wait for four months
because they
to see that she recovers, and thereafter.
that is what had been stated by the petitioner, because they are not able to come because they were sick and they have no money to come, and these are the reason they have given the lordship. So it is unfortunately due to unavoidable circumstances, your lordship. My submission is that maybe it is not the delays or pursuing the case is not unintentionally, they are not avoiding. They have intentionally, is not because of their will intention, but they have done it. It is due to unavoidable circumstances, lordship. It is not that case that they have completely avoided or neglected to pursue this matter, but it is due to unavoidable circumstances. They are not in position to come in time, lordship. And other ground also I have stated, lordship, that the petitioner, the 5-6 also I have stated, the petitioner will come to Shillong only in the month of April 2003 and engage a lawyer to take up the matter. Advocate have asked all the relevant document from the petitioner. However, petitioner have handed over some documents on their past by the Garo Judicial Council, but copy of the petition, WPC, and the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent and were handed over to the advocate. Therefore, advocate has applied for uncertified copy of the petition, affidavit, and the rejoinder filed by the petitioner prior to the dismissal of the petition white or WPC number 103 of 2017. What happened, your lordship, before preparation of the application? They wanted to see what is the really matter, whether there is a merit or other things. The status of the case has to be the advocate. We just need to go through the case of the case. That's why we have applied a certificate copy from the court, and it takes some considerable time, your lordship.
When did you apply for the certificate copy?
We have in the month of
What is the date? When did you apply, and how long it took? How long it took for supply?
Exactly, I forgot that, but the copy was supplied to us only on 19/7/2023. All this uncertified copy we have applied.
19/7/2023.
Yes, lordship. So we got it all this document only from the court, lordship.
From the month of April, it took you 4 months to get a copy, because petitioner came and contacted you in the month of April 2023.
Lordship. Yes, lordship. And thereafter,
Then May, June, July, 3 months.
because yes, lordship, because we
So long the copy branch took.
no, this is the petition and other copy we have received only on 17 June 2023. Lordship.
17 June.
Then yes. As per the report that
April, May, June, yes. So April, May, June, 3 months.
Because it requires also the time to go through the petition and the affidavit and also the
What
rejoinder.
that the supply of copy was delayed to you?
No, we are not blaming the delay, but because due to some reason, because because the file is also is bulky and so many documents, and we have to compare the document which was brought by them and also from the court. So then our document also is required to be examined thoroughly in the as per the date wise.
Now you said you have applied got the copy in the month of June.
Lordship.
But then in the month of May, you have this thing. You have gone through all the papers and all. That is what you have stated in paragraph 7.
In the month of May, I have gone to the document. That document which they brought is not a petition. They have brought all the case record, whatever is there, because the lady is not
So without petition, you have confirmed for this thing, for filing application, for condemnation of delay. That is also before you got a certificate copy. That is what you have
Yes,
said in
yes,
your
yes,
paragraph.
Lordship, but I'm saying yes, we got the document. The document which I got is from the which they brought is not from the court because they don't have the petition. That petition and other whatever is in the court case record from the High Court is we get it through applying the uncertified copy from the register. But the other document which I got it prior to preparation of this one is just we got it from the petitioner was not this petition. They bring only some other record from district council, some map, so many things they brought it, but not the exact which is petition because those petitions and the documents were irrelevant. That's why we want to, in order to know the exact position of the case and to exact what is the real case.
But then you see, Mr. P.T. Sangma, what you say and what you state here is different. In paragraph 8, you have said it took this thing. See what do you say in paragraph 8?
Yes, sir.
Just
After
read
receiving the from the petitioner, 2 months.
that the advocate after receiving yes, no, just see.
Is of course
Of course, no. Then which statement
I-
is correct? Everything, if it is of course, then you said like you have obtained in June.
no,
Then here you say advocate took from June till August, another 2 months advocate took
no, what I'm saying, including the
for
document.
obtaining necessary documents. So that means this statement is a lie.
No, Your Lordship. No, what I'm saying is that including the document which I received from the
You
petitioner.
read it again, Mr. See. You have received it in the month of June, you said.
That is from the court.
Yes. And then what is about this then? What is paragraph 8 then?
The paragraph it is actually including the document which I received from the petitioner as well as from the document
What is
which I
written
received.
here, you see, that means which statement is to be correct. You didn't understand and then you make submission.
Yes, yes.
Do not speak lie before the court. You said petitioner have taken another about 2 months from 1 week from the month of June, second week of August 2023 to obtain the necessary. It means August 2023 you have obtained necessary this thing. Documents from the court like the copy of the petition, copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respective parties. That means you have obtained in the month of August.
No, actually, I stand corrected this particular para actually this on the month of June. But this para may be allowed.
That is what you see.
It
When
also-
you frame a story,
Yes.
be careful. Somewhere, you see, like
Yes. I stand corrected.
you
Your
will caught
Lordship.
somewhere.
I stand corrected, Your Lordship. That this one actually should be in the month of June. Lordship, I apologize, but I stand corrected, Your Lordship. This particular
We are
only
in court, see,
Lordship.
we are in court, in a court proceedings.
Yes, Lordship.
Your apology will not help the things.
Lordship. But I
We will
subjected to correction.
Go, will move as per the law. What the law is.
Yes, yes. I Lordship, I stand corrected because this actually is not a month of August, but it should be month of June.
See, all your other explanation that you had to convene a meeting for filing a restoration application and thereafter you needed 6 months to make collection of money. Do you think these are all acceptable explanation? Yes, you have no objection, it means
I have no instruction, Your Lordship.
you have no instruction.
On the last occasion, actually,
Mr. Sangresho, you have any objection with regard to this thing?
Normally, I wouldn't raise the objection, but I perused the pleading made by the applicant here. There is full of inconsistency and dishonesty. And the one thing I'll point out, my lord, regarding the exclusion of the dime, you have to copy it. First, you can see the order I have annexed.
You
I
file
will straight go to the order. For the page 20.
of your affidavit.
Of my affidavit, page 19, my lord. Page 19. This is the last order passed by Supreme Court for exclusion of time because of the COVID.
19, yes.
19, my lord. Number 1, in computing the period of limitation for any suit, appeal, application, or proceeding, the period from such and such till such and such shall stand excluded. So this will be excluded. Now that is clear. Now when we come to the application filed by the applicant here, he stated, my lord, para page number 8 of his application, page number 8 of his application, according to him, the total delay is 897 days.
Yes.
My lord, we have recalculated. That is wrong. The actual, my lord, she deserved exclusion of 333 days. And total delay is 594 days. This is reflected in my application, in my show cause reply, para 3, my lord, page number 3. On the top, my lord. Therefore, 333
You are respondent number 1.
My lord. But page number 3. Yeah, therefore, 333 days were excluded, but the remaining delay of such in filing this application, petitioner failed to show the
Reading paragraph? Reading paragraph?
My lord, that is on the top of the paragraph, my lord, page number 3 of my application.
Yes.
Ending part of my paragraph 3.
Okay. So 594 days you say that petitioner has failed.
Well, correct. And now his application, the resolution adopted by him, page number 13 of his application, annexure 2. This meeting was convened on 3rd May. Page number 13.
Yes, it is 3rd May.
And they filed, or she filed, the applicant has filed the incident application on 18 August 2023, after 1 year.
Yes.
That also explanation is not there. And the Lordship has pointed out, the paragraph 5, he has given the explanation. I'll come straight to one of the para. My lord, the financial difficulties, I don't think this is a reasonable explanation. This cannot be accepted. It's not individual litigation.
What his explanation is that after this meeting,
My lord.
they took 6 months to make collection for paying the lawyer.
My lord.
And thereafter, the petitioner number 1 had fallen sick for 4 months.
My lord.
Then,
Fallen sick.
then they came to lawyer.
Yes.
And then the rest of the time was consumed by the lawyer in obtaining copies and reading.
Right. Now,
That is what the explanation is.
The para 5 of sub para 5, she said that she got sick. There is no medical document. And sub para 6, my lord, it seems that they say that they have applied for the copy in the month of April. Lordship, kindly see his application. 6, my lord. Page number 7.
Yeah.
The petitioner were able to come to Shillong only in the month of April and engage a lawyer to take up their matter, and the new advocate have asked all relevant documents from the petitioner. However, the petitioner have handed over only some documents or the order passed by the Governor Satura. But the copy of the petition, the affidavit and the position filed by respondents in the GDC, respondents were not able handed over to the advocate. Therefore, the advocate has applied for the certified copy of the petition, edited opposition, rejoined the affidavit filed prior to the dismissal of the census. Yeah. So,
Yes,
in the month of April,
that is what he said. Yeah. He said he applied in the month of April and received the copy in the month of June.
In the month of June. Though he did not make that statement. And in fact, he had applied the certified copy only in the month of July. Now, my friend has admitted that he has received the certified copy from the registry in the month of June. Now, we have verified in the registry the application he put up on 12 July 2023. And he received on 19. So much inconsistency is there.
Anyway, we will do one thing. Yes, madam. Yes, tell. Are you seriously praying for time?
Yes.
We'll do, Mr. Sangrai. So
Yes.
we'll just have it on some other day.
Yes. But I'll place only one judgment.
You place it on the day that.
One judge.
That is one thing. At least the court got the story. Just see. Okay, Miss so and so appear in court. The respondent number so and so pays for grant of sometime on the ground that Mr. S. the learned standing counsel for GHDC is on bereavement. The prayer has not been opposed by the petitioner. Accordingly, list this matter after 2 weeks. We'll come back after 2 weeks.
Okay.
No one is there. Anyway, call. Yes. Call matters.
Item number 2, hearing.
Yes. Who was praying for time in this matter? Somebody was making a prayer.
Lordship.
You.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 4, Lordship. Item number 2.
You have informed her.
Yes, I have informed.
Do you have any objection?
No, Lordship.
Say, Mr. So and so, appearing for the respondent number
4.
4. Praise for grant of some time. Why? What is the reason?
Lordship, because my senior is on sanction leave, Lordship.
Who is your senior?
SR Lingdor.
What is your prevention of time? On the ground that Mr. S.R. Linder, Learned Counsel, appearing for the person number 4 is not available. The prayer has not been opposed by. Please give your name, madam. Stop. Accordingly, this is met after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Highly obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 3,
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, we have filed affidavit bringing on record status of retirement of pensionary benefits, Your Lordship. The petitioner, Your Lordship.
When did you file the affidavit?
On 4/12/2023, Your Lordship.
In December.
Your Lordship.
You filed sometimes in December.
Yes, December, Your Lordship. Lordship, may fix this matter some other date, Lordship.
Wait. Oh, you're in a hurry. Do you want to go somewhere?
No, no, Your Lordship.
So that is only for pensionary benefit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is pensionable post.
It is they are not entitled for pension. They are not entitled for pension.
They are not entitled. Then
They have taken in the AGO fees on contract basis from the Home Guard, and in between there was another litigation, so page number 39. Let us see. There.
page number 39
Of writ petition.
This is a service related matter.
Yes.
Service matter, my lords.
You wait, there may be a change in the thing.
Well, it's here the issue is now restricted to only these people have already retired.
This matter might go to some other bench. If you will it be a short matter, very short matter?
Very short matter, my lords, because the only issue is that the petitioners have already retired from service. In the first round of litigation that come before this Honorable Court, the then Guwahati High Court, my lords, and by this judgment, it was held that your services cannot be regularized, but you will not be terminated as long as your requirement remains. Subsequently, an innocuous order was passed, my lords, non-speaking order was passed, whereby the services were terminated. We came before this Honorable Court, there was an interim order of stay. Now, during currency of the writ petition, my lords, the petitioners in these two writ petitions have already retired from service. So, the only issue remains, my lords, is paying their allowances. That's the only issue, and that is why my learned friend
are
had
not
taken.
pensionable posts. That is what he's saying.
I'm sorry, my lords.
He said that these are not pensionable.
No, pension, my lords, they are not entitled to, but they are entitled to other benefits, my lords.
What are those?
The benefits are, my lords,
That is a duty allowances. something.
duty allowances, my
What is
lords.
that duty allowances? That means it is salary or what? Duty allowance is what?
My lords, they have an additional allowances, my lords.
That
There's
is in
this
addition to the salary.
addition to the salary, my lords. And they were also entitled in terms of the judgment of this Honorable Court,
There is a letter which says
lordships.
that the matter was processed for.
But till today, nothing has been paid.
So that you can pay.
It's only limited to that extent. No.
Yes, Mr. Devnath.
You receive, as per this account generally received, it will be as per this affidavit, whatsoever they were entitled as per contract employee taken from the Home Guard, they have given.
So
there is
they do not have any more entitlement.
no entitlement.
So there remains a disputed question then.
They'll have to file an affidavit to that effect, my lords.
You have not
So
filed
already filed affidavit.
Have to file an affidavit. Sorry?
Petition they have filed, sir.
It's a rejoinder.
They filed.
My lords, the affidavit filed, your lordship would find it on, my lords, this is filed on 13/12/2016.
13/12/2016. That is on behalf of response number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
5-1. I'm sorry.
6, 7, 8. Yes.
There are many
7, 8,
affidavits. Affidavit by 7, 8, and 9 also.
7, 8, and 9, my lords. This will be 7, 8, and 9. I'm sorry.
7, 8, and 9 is dated 1810.
Yes, my lords. 1810. Now, in this affidavit, my lords, what they state is
Here,
Yes, where you have said that all whatever
Your Lordship, here
was
this,
due was paid to them.
Your Lordship, here in paragraph 11, this given that point of time as per situation. That's
Para 11, it's the same affidavit.
para 11.
Yes.
See this. Whatsoever they have gained ground, it is the next is it is already mentioned here that Sri Subhadur Guru superintended the use of 58 years in the
You're reading from?
next page.
page 5, my learned friends, reading at page 5, my
five.
lords. This is with regard to another gentleman who had retired.
So they are having this. There have been replacement, and after this they are having the grievances. So
No,
it
no,
is
but then
saying-
what? Where is the statement? A statement with regard to the claim of the petitioner that you have paid all the dues, and then
And what are the dues paid, my lords?
So it is a subsequent response. In fact, due to the prevailing situation and relevant point of time, the respondent department only sent their requirement to the Home Guard department according to the necessary training. Home Guard were provided for the purpose of security reason in the office of the Account General. At present, service of the training is not longer required since the service of the Home Guard were not required. The answering respondent in terms of his appointment order dated 30 July 2019 and the judgment and order of the Honorable High Court passed in such and such has terminated the petitioner for the termination of the contract service of Lobisana for the from the office of the answering respondent. The respondent has gone strictly as per provision of
those
the
parties are already over, as has been submitted. That you see, like he continued till the date of his superannuation.
so here
These parties are no more in dispute now.
When did they superannuate?
The only thing is that it's pursuant to his retirement, what his
so
entitlement would be.
so here
Mr. Paul, have you given details of what you are entitled to?
so
Well, that was-
another aspect of the matters in this case.
Your
Your
lordship,
Lordship.
just bear with me for a second.
Your Lordship,
Filed an affidavit.
if you can come this paragraph 13.
Your last affidavit is not in detail. You say only that you have not received anything.
Well, it's paragraph 6
Of?
of my affidavit, my lords.
Of which one? Which
The latest affidavit.
latest affidavit?
No, this is with regard to the earlier thing, my lords. I'm sorry.
There is nothing in that. If you say about the latest affidavit,
It's not
it
there.
is not there. It is not there. Except for enclosing that letter, of course, it is not specific. It is a general kind of, you see, like
If your lordships just permit me, my lords, I will seek instructions as to what money they have received and what is the amount they say is yet to be
see,
received.
what is your claim? That at least you should make it specific.
My lords, we'll do that.
Can't you
And what is the amount of money that they have received, my lords, at the time of superannuation?
So they have not said that you have nothing, no dues.
Your Lordship, moreover, it is not sanction post. Moreover, we have been specific, it is not sanction post. In my paragraph 13. Base,
That issue would not remain anymore, my lords, since they have already retired from service.
That is not a sanction poster. Anyway, you give us the details then.
My lords, paragraph 11, there is a short indication, but it is not, as your lordships have rightly pointed out, it is not specific. We say in paragraph 11, my lords, this affidavit is filed for the purpose of bringing on record that the current status of allowances, retirement, or pensionary benefits and other leave allowances, including EPF, which the
You are asking
petitioner-
about pensionary benefits, so that is why.
pensionary benefits is only the allowances, my lords. Pension is not.
That is you have to make it. If you
We'll
say
give it-
pensionary allowance, then
Will be specific, my lords. What is the amount received and what is yet to be received?
so what you will do, you will how you will be specific. You will take instruction or
We'll take instructions, my lords. We'll prepare a small chart because no point in filing another fresh affidavit. Specific, what is that? We've forgotten what is
Hard learned from the 8 onwards. Mr. Abel,
They are not sure.
and senior counsel submits that he will require specific instruction from the petitioner. He will require instruction on the petitioner with regard to his entitlement, post retirement.
It is there, I've seen that.
From the service of which department you were?
Well, this is home guard, Malins. We were home guards.
Is it? Just to say, Mr. Solicitor. Submits that you need specific instruction with regard to the entitlement of the petitioner. With regard to the specific entitlement of the petitioner. After retirement from the service of Home Guard under the Director of Civil Defence and Commandant General of Home Guards, Government of Meghalaya. The London Senior Counsel prays for a lot of some time for having a specific instruction. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
This may service matters may land up before different
Malins.
The Lordship, our presence may be recorded. Our presence may be recorded.
Yes, definitely that will go, their presence. Just
And then,
says,
there, as per our instruction, there is no entitlement. Just to
One thing is no entitlement, one thing is no dues.
so you do one thing after the first paragraph where it says petitioner, then you say Mr. R. Devnath, learned CGC appearing for the respondent submits that the petitioner has the whatever was due to the petitioner was paid, and the petitioner is not entitled to claim any other payment from the department. Just write this. Okay, in the things before the prayer allowed, that will go.
I'll